Hi, I'm Kalpana. I come from Andhra Pradesh. I have been completed my masters in pharmaceutical analysis and quality control. I have been waiting for my current job opportunities in the pharmacy industry. Where as a girl, I have been given a proper opportunity because I've been a girl. So they are not taking girls in a pharmacy background to be considering under employment. I'm preferring most of the male candidates where when I was opting for a job opportunity. Then at that time I got a call from ACRI, Bangalore, saying there is a scope for clinical research for my background, where then I got into contact of them immediately, and my interest seemed to be very good, where there won't be any differentiation for a girl or a boy employment in this field, and it is a good for girls to be employed in this field. So I opted this opportunity, where even I got opportunity in my from other websites regarding this clinical research before, but I want to know the depth of it before joining blindly into such sort of job. I want to know what will be there in clinical research before joining. I don't want to take a blind drive in it. So I immediately joined actually in the batch, and I found really the academic staff, it's really super. I really, in a very short duration, if I known a lot of things, that is because regarding clinical research, that is because of the academic staff. Really, they are really very helpful and very interactive and approachable. They guide you and mold you in such a way that you will be confident enough finally at that you can face anything regarding the clinical research in the job with the confident and everything. In the especially in the interviews, they help every small bit of it. You'll remember it in that way. They teach you, and the placement, the training, and the PD training. Really, the personality development I really developed here. I don't know whether I have it or not, but they really brushed me up very well. My communication skills, everything has improved a lot after coming to ACRI. And the placement division, I had been gone in touch after nearly at the ending of my 3 months course. Really, it has been very interactive with them, placement division. So because of them, I have been given opportunity to face 2 interviews in 2 companies. Where the first company I have been now selected in Swinolage as a drug safety associate, where I'll be joining as an employer sooner. And I wish all the best for the coming students in the batch.